was vlogging, guys, I came across Ramina. Check out the hips. The hips. We are rich. We're badass rich girls. Yeah. Hi, it's Flossie here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have got a vlogging video. So we're on our way to Harrods to do a bit of window shopping, see what's new, see what they've got. It's been a minute. It's actually been a minute I've been there. So I'm looking forward to it. So I'll take you there. We'll go, and I've got my little helper here. And say hello to my dear friend. What's your name? Introduce yourself.
I'm Joy.
Joy. What's your Instagram name?
Sheila.
Sheila. Follow my girl Sheila. So we're on our way. Luxury addiction. Yeah. So we'll see you guys in a bit. We're at Harrods. Literally. Yeah.
I don't know what I'm wearing though.
What are you wearing? Don't know what you're wearing?
Is it it's outfit.
It's an outfit. What you just described it.
What is it? It's on the back. What is it there?
Liu Jo.
That's it.
Liu Jo girl.
Okay.
Your shoes are like
Fire. Fire.
Should I give the secret out? Oh, I don't know. It's a gift.
While I was vlogging, guys, I came across Ramina. She's so amazing. She's so lovely.
Let's do you too.
Honestly, what you
I
wearing?
actually got that from ASOS. It looks like so much more expensive.
It's beautiful.
It's like £90.
It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Look at that bag. That's beautiful.
Got
Gary.
her in my Dubai airport shopping vlog. If you haven't seen it, go check it out.
Go check it out. She's amazing. Follow her. Yippee! Finally met a YouTuber.
So fun.
Can we go to the
Right outside, we can see some beautiful Bottega. This is lovely. It's actually lovely. It's nice. Check that out. Beautiful color. Really, really like this color. It's so nice. Wow. This is Chanel. What we got here? We've actually got the new sandals. Lovely. And we've got this Deville, the new Deville. I love the color actually, nice little peach, and I love this. I love this new style of bag. This is really nice. This is nice. It's beautiful. Look at the colors. Colors is on. Check this out. This is beautiful. I really like them. It's nice. Ooh, check out that brooch. That brooch is really nice. I love that brooch. I love this bag. I think it's a nice casual kind of everyday bag. It's nice and cute, but can definitely take a phone. Definitely. I got the bluey, the dark blue, navy blue. Guessing is one of the new colors. I'm not sure about this bag, this bowling bag. It's not really my vibe. Definitely not my vibe. No, no, no. But I like that. That's cute. I love that. The whole chain, pearly chain on the glasses. Really like that. Bags. Oh, look at that. Look at that bag. I think they're beautiful. I actually like this style of bag. I wonder how much they are. I actually love them. I think they're so, so nice. Like a little... Oh, they're new. I like them. Actually, it's light. Light. This is so light. I actually do like them. Size. I actually like them. This is perfect. Really perfect for the summer. This is wow. I actually do like them. Love the color of baby pink. Oh, and look, that's the Alma BB. They've got the yellow one. It's yellow Alma BB. Recently had a price increase, but this is beautiful. And you've got the twist, Louis Vuitton twist. I can see the whole summer color coming out now. This is like in bubblegum pink. Love this.
Alma, it's not Alma, it's the
That's Alma BB.
no, I don't want Alma baby. That's what I want to see.
And you've got the sandals in blue again. What do you think of these sandals?
Oh, that's gorgeous.
It's cute, isn't it? I actually like the pink one. I fell in love with the pink one over there.
That is really
That's
cute.
cute. It's beautiful. It's nice. And oh, look, your bag. This is a new bucket bag.
Oh, that's nice. It's a small
That's actually
one.
cute. It's actually really cute. It's actually so cute. Got this, the bigger size.
I
The
like
sub
that.
flat.
That's very pretty.
Yeah, it's a bigger size. That's new actually.
That's really nice.
Yeah. Oh, I actually like that trunk. This trunk over here. It's actually feeling that trunk. I'm actually feeling this trunk. This is nice. And oh, love. I've not seen this before. It's the first time. Really nice though. I've seen it. I got my girl. We bought something from Louis Vuitton finally. We got it. We've got the cushions here, so I think this is the large. So we've got the large cushion. It's coming up a bit like beige, and you've got the medium cushion, and you've got the mini ones over there. Got the mini ones over there. It's not bad. Not really my kind of bag, to be honest. It's very cushiony, but it is structured. But I love the chain link. I really do. Love this. And you got them in so many different styles. Ooh, I love this one. This is nice. It's 1854. It's beautiful. This is the medium size. I believe this is the PM. The PM. This is nice. This is new. It's also new. It's a bit like a green and a white. Love it. And for my neutrals, this is neutral. This is, I believe this is the bigger size. Definitely not the PM. It's cute. And you've got these little quartz of satin. I'm not too sure about satin shoes, to be honest. Very picky. I think my favorite size is the mini, the Capucine mini. It's definitely an evening bag, definitely. This is more like a day bag here. And you've got it in denim. This is the denim one. It's cute. I love the idea of the 4 different colors, different shades of denim. It's cute. Nice. Ooh, okay, they've got the new. Oof, ice. They've actually got the Balmain Barbie combo, the whole collaboration. That's the puffer jacket. So actually something is left. This is nice. It's not bad. I don't personally think it's very warm. It's more of a fashion statement than warmth, if you ask my opinion. But yeah.
Is that what I'm wearing? It's the same feel. I think it is warm.
You think it's warm? I just like the color. I think it's nice. But
Yes. Oh,
this is like a birthday statement.
I know.
This is some statement.
That's cool.
It's beautiful.
Oh my god, it's snatched all in the right angle. Like, I'm in love with this. This is definitely birthday look. A statement if you want to create that killer statement look. The silhouette. So this is actually in a 40, but I actually think I can actually go down to a 38. This is a 12, but I think I can go down to a 10 because it's got really good stretch to it. It's like knit, and it's got this metallic thing and the whole signature Balmain. Oh, wear this with some nice red. God, you're good to go. I love the shoulders. Look at the zip all the way. Look at that silver. If you're not a color person, this is actually popping. This is popping. I love this. Love this. Love this. Second outfit, this Balmain. Love this. Love the fitting. This has got no stretch at all. But a sequin is beautiful. The detail. I mean, this is on a need to know basis. If you know it's Balmain, you know through the buttons. But apart from that, it's a little bit tight because I can literally hardly move because it's got no stretch to it. But this is in a 38, I believe, which is a 10. Love this. I love the curve. I mean, Balmain just insinuates my curves. I love you for that, Balmain. Thank you for that, Balmain. But I love the explosion of colors in this. The colors, the shoulder pad. This is me to a T. But if it's just in a size 40, unfortunately, this is the only one. And you've got the zip to it to make it more tighter. Love the zip on the sleeve. It's beautiful. I love it. I'm obsessed. Really like. Take me, Balmain. I want some Balmain.
And we have it in different colours.
In different colors. I haven't actually seen this before.
Oh, really?
It's different, yeah. I haven't actually.
This is fun.
It is fun. It's actually different. I haven't seen this.
Pink in small size.
I haven't seen this.
We've got this new bags actually.
Okay. Oh, I haven't actually come across these bags. They're different. It's actually different. These ones are cute. Oh, then what's this one? Because I'm like, I haven't seen.
But Gabriella has. We are.
Yes, Gabriella has.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. Gabriella Hust.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
We've got this one which is new.
Oh, that's very colorful. That's playful. Very summery.
It is, yeah.
This is nice.
I
I haven't actually come. I've never heard of this. Have you heard of this brand? Gabriella Hust. I haven't heard of them.
We had a lot of people asking for this particular bag, for this color.
Yeah, this color is nice.
And,
this is very evening
Yeah.
occasion.
Yeah. But to be fair, we also have quite a lot of people buy it and wear it with jeans, like make it a cool look,
Oh,
you know?
yeah.
So it just depends really.
good.
But It's very
It actually goes with my yellow jumper.
Yeah.
Ah,
The
nice.
brand is very much like, if you know, you know.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's
I've never. It's not the ones that are in your face. Regularly in your. How much are these bags?
The water snake is 2,295.
Uh-huh.
The satin is 1,890.
Okay. Water snake and the satin. So this is
And
1,800 and
Yeah.
this is 2,200.
And the leather is 1,750.
So the normal leather, like
Yeah.
this one,
Yeah. And this is 10,000. It's crocodile.
crocodile. Oh, okay.
This is your colors, you know. That's especially this one and that one.
See, she knows me. I love colors. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I thought it was Bottega. I actually did think it was Bottega. Ooh, the Bottega green. Summer is here.
You have that?
No, I don't. I've got the bag. I don't have
Somebody
it.
has it.
I was thinking of it, but I'm like, it's too wide.
You had
Oh, this is nice. This color is different.
Yeah, you
Oh, this is. I
put
love
one wearing
this.
on the shoulder, then you just do it a little wider.
This is beautiful. These people don't have mirror here.
I saw it and I like it.
This one.
Oh, that's cute.
This is nice. I love mature
I'm not-
bags.
I'm not-
Oh, check this out. It's beautiful. It's really nice. Small peekaboo. 3,300. Fendi first again. Oh, look at that. Let me see. That is very cute. How much is that?
This, I think.
It's nice. It's like a puffer, isn't
Yeah, it's a
it?
puffer jacket. So price tag in it. It's gorgeous.
Oh, check out the tweed. Check out. I like this red one. This red is cute. Not sure about this. It's a bit too much. The wide leg, too much for me. But I love this bag. This caught my eyes. Nice little mini Chanel bag. So much chains on it. So much Chanel Carbon. Let's see what it says. Very cute. I love these boots. Love, love, love these boots. I need it. But they never have it in my size. Never. Going into Louis Vuitton now. It's actually nice. I like this. I actually like this size. I prefer it to the mini. So they've actually got the medium, they've got the mini, and they've got the big size. And this one, I'm feeling this one, this midi size. It's actually not bad. Check it out. We are rich. We're badass rich girls, girl.
Rich things.
Yeah.
Some designer when you wear them, you
Nice.
still look
I actually love it. 485.
85.
It's beautiful. We're actually in the children's department now. Unfortunately, I've got a little girl who comes with me, so I always have to check the children's department. So actually at the children's department now. So it's a good one actually. So for anyone who's actually thinking of getting some present for their little one, it's a good idea. This is, I think this is part of the new collection. How much is that?
£325.
325. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Okay, she's showcasing the pink one for us.
Definitely.
Nice beach bag. Huh? Who is it for? Do you want to style it for us? Style it, let me see. Yeah, go on, show us. Oh, show us the bag. It's cute. You like it? Nice, this backpack.
Yes, that's why.
I actually like.
It's a normal backpack. It's just a small
Yeah,
backpack.
it's for kids.
How much is it?
That's a wrap from me. We've done. I hope you've kind of enjoyed this vlog. We've done as much as possible. Been manic, busy. Harrods is closed now. So we are literally running towards the train station. If you like this, don't forget to give a girl a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you yet haven't. And we'll see you soon again. Take care. Bye.